Now, proof of China's massive Galwan casualty finally out on camera. Graves of China soldiers killed in Galwan clash. China soldiers who died in Galwan clash buried at Kangxiwa War Memorial. Pictures of that show graves being visited by PLA soldiers on at least 2 occasions. We're looking at possibly more casualties, which of course the Chinese army has been withholding information to. Proof of China's massive Galwan casualty finally out on cameras now. Graves of China soldiers killed in Galwan clash. China soldiers who died in the Galwan clash buried at Kangxiwa War Memorial. Pictures also show graves being visited by PLA soldiers on at least 2 occasions there. These are the images that show how, in fact, the families of the soldiers also, we believe, have been trying to visit this grave, but casualties may just be more than what was announced. Let's quickly cut across to Colonel Vinayak Bhatt, our defense expert, joining us for more details on this. Colonel, here we're looking at some images that are quite compelling. Here, China has never really revealed the official numbers of casualties right at the border after the clash between India and Chinese forces. But here, looking at the images, we see that it could be more in number. Pictures show graves being visited by the PLA soldiers on at least 2 occasions. What more do these images really speak of?
Thank you, Nabila. The thing is, this is a graveyard, actually a memorial, which has been built by China for the martyrs of 1962. It is near the village Kangxiwa, which has been forcefully abandoned by the Chinese PLA. It has been constructed there since a very long time. But then the photographs and the video which has come, they show new graves also. This is what China every time tries to do. It tries to hide the casualties, and we really do not know what numbers the casualties were in. It must have been in large numbers. From the number of graves, we really cannot make out exactly, because most of them are from 1962 war and later. There were 105 graves as late as December 2019. After that, whatever new satellite imageries, high-resolution satellite imagery has not come. So we may not be exactly be able to pick up how many new cemeteries have been constructed there. But then certainly there have been casualties, and China has been hiding them. The problem is
what we're really shocked is
political party.
We hear, Colonel Vinayak, that their names have not been honored in this grave. Their names and units have not been revealed. That's the least that they can do to honor their martyrs.
Nabila, the names and the number of unit has been indicated in the graves. In the epitaph, you can very clearly see them. But the thing is, their families will not be able to come here and visit anytime soon. So it is really sad for the families. I feel very sad for the families who will not be able to pay obeisance to their own children, husbands, and maybe fathers, whatever relations they have. They will not be able to come here and pay obeisance also. And they would never know whether the grave is the correct one or not. It will really be difficult if the people have not been able to go to their homes and the families have not been able to.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.